Uy, gago na bomba.
Ready,
Nice bomb, nice bomb. Cycle, wait.
Gulot sila.
South East Tower again, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East Tower, this is big. Kill this guys.
Nice one.
Drop to dock.
Ang ina mo.
Cycle.
Nice Sony.
5 seconds.
Lodi boy.
Alright, just hold.
Angat konti DPS para di kayo maga.
Percent kit, 75%
Ready.
Okay, look on the nearest pool. Just
Dilok,
look.
dilok.
Couple on the Nera. Wait, dep, ready. 5, 4,
Paliguan mo lang
3,
sila.
1 on the Nera. Kill now. And then go back. Cycle. Help
Hiting
front,
again,
help front,
hiting.
help front, left,
Oh my
front.
3 seconds.
Alright. Hold.
Ready.
Harap
Look.
si ano.
South over the wall siya na. Wait, hold. Just wait, ready.
Shaper.
4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Kill the Shaper.
Nice, shape rin.
Polymorph yan.
Nice kill.
Nice kill. Okay.
Dilok now, dilok front.
Careful. They're
Okay.
okay.
Nakakapatay yung PT1.
Dilok now, dep front.
Dep.
Morse.
Hold.
Ready.
Hold. Pa-GA nga ako. Hold.
Nag-GA na ako, sorry.
Okay. Look, east side. East tower again, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Kasabay yung bomb.
Nice.
Nice hit, sabay ng bomb.
Okay, they're looking.
Dilok now. Dep front.
Hill front.
2 seconds.
2 engages sila.
Alright. Hold.
Dilok again. Oh my god. Dita, careful yung front, please.
Don't go deep, D-tanks.
Sabi talaga
Farm lang
mag-farm
kayo
yan
dyan.
guys.
Kita mo, tong solo king oh, tong gilid.
Yeah, if you're a D-tank, don't go past the gate, basically.
Engaging, wait, hold.
Bedrock pala.
Don't go out. You don't need to stop them.
Over the wall, south tower, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No guard drone, def now.
Dilok now, front.
Nas left.
3
Second
seconds.
pass.
3 seconds.
Hiting again.
Def again.
Ready.
East tower. Hold.
Gago, may
Ready.
namatay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East tower now.
Nice aliw. Gago, nice aliw.
It's Bastion! What the fuck? Bastion ba yun?
Second pass.
Hindi, aliw.
Nice.
Hold on.
Aliw.
Watch it. Pinapatay ka boy.
Dilok now.
Drop yung Judy.
Ready?
2 seconds.
Okay,
Ready.
East tower again, ready. 5, 4, 3,
Okay, na-polymorph ka yan.
1. East tower now. Nice kill.
Patay yan, patay yan.
One tap. Uy,
Uy, ano?
Go back inside. Go back inside.
Dilok now. They hitting now.
Left front.
3 seconds.
Alright, just hold. Let them inch up. Come inside.
Na-polymorph ko. Ayun.
Careful fronts, careful tanks. They're looking at you. Let's just hold.
Si Martin may napatay eh.
Layo na nila.
Inch up.
Dilok ko south, dep south.
Nasunog.
Hold.
Ship.
Take on the J. Hold. Tumalon biglas.
Malayo.
Dilok now.
Ready. Engage kami, ready. On the gate. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayun mo, nasa-silence ako dun ah. Cycle.
5 seconds.
Alright.
Dilok now. Front.
Ready.
Okay, wait. Headbutt tayo sa kanila. Saan na ibon?
Bomb is hitting.
Bomb sitting, help the bomb. Let's try. Hold.
May na-burn na cleric sa southwest, Pops.
Okay. They're looking. Engaging on the gate, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the gate. Putang ina mo na. Dep. Heal me.
One more.
Mati si Logowis. It's okay. Regain comeback. Heal me.
Ready.
Hold. Look, east tower. Wait, hold. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2. Gago, need na pa ko, pre.
Dilok now.
Dep. Help me. I'm getting kidnapped. I'm good.
One more.
Dep one. You're good.
2 seconds.
Hold.
Ready now.
Look south side of the gate. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side of the gate. Kill this guy. Boys, go back. Second fast. They have engaged. Careful D-tanks. Don't go too deep.
5 seconds.
Okay, wait. Si Binzo, give me a fake, si Binzo. If you're here. It's fake.
Ready tayo.
Mag-pull ka lang. Okay, go back. May kidnap sila.
Dilok now.
East side of the gate, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of the gate.
One more, careful.
Sayang. Careful. Go back.
Then one more. They hitting south.
Ready. 3
Kill yung
seconds.
Go back.
Ready now?
Oh, go back. Let them in shop. Napipa-imperm ng D-Tongs ko. Play safe, guys. Don't go too deep. Kayo lang tina-target niya eh. Let them bash. Come north a bit, Shion. Let them in. Okay, Zibinzo, fake nga ulit. Fake mo yung gate.
One on
Fake
legacy,
now?
yeah.
DPS, medyo fake nyo rin konti pag mag-fake. Lakad ko na rin, pero konti lang.
Gold after... Wait, nice cleanse.
They low in front.
Def. After the cleric, south side of the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the
They
gate.
low, hitting one. Oh my god, the lot of us died.
Oh no, dami.
Sabi namatay tol.
Humed.
Go back. Okay.
Saan namatay?
Go back.
Deadbat.
Pabash natin. Come north a bit. Let them in, guys.
Nice, okay.
I'm not
Hindi
this
sila
tower.
nagbabash. Pinaka-watch kasi dyan sa bomb. Let them bash. Papasukin nyo. Let them in. Help the bomb. Let them bash. They're bashing now. 19% kit. Yeah, just hold. Zibinzo, pag nag-in shop sila dito, mag-fake pull ka. Just hold everyone. Just get ready. We're gonna engage over the wall, okay? Then, no, that's a fake. Look! Over the wall now, ready? 5,
Nag-engage
4,
sila over the wall.
1, over the wall. Kill these guys. Nice kill.
Nice.
Go back,
They
go
looking
back,
shallow,
go back.
careful.
They're looking, be careful.
We're 5
Ditanks
seconds.
in front, be careful.
Hindi ako maka-RD.
They looking.
Left. They have one more, be careful. Yeah, just hold.
Ready na?
Hold. Inch up a bit yun.
They're outside the gate.
Dito kayo straight, dito kayo tatayo sa akin. Okay. Help me to come back guys. Okay. Look. East over the wall, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall now. Kill this guy. Then help me. Go back, click it. That's
Inching
it.
up, colors inching up.
Yep, just go back, let them in. Help bomb.
3 seconds.
Careful, they look front. They shock
Left in
front.
front.
Ready,
Ano to,
ready.
hammer? Hold. Fake on the hammer nga. Zibinzo, pull mo yung hammer. Nice.
Sa loob,
Hold.
lakad.
Ano to si Bachoy? AFK ba
Hindi pa
to?
sila pumapasok.
Galagata yung
Ay,
naka-Etron.
Ako AFK. Mabad.
Look over the wall, Shion. The Drago sa inyo. Ready? 5.
They look now.
Left.
Oh, patay si Prince.
It's okay. It's triggering comeback. Hindi AFK, pre. Peke lang. Ako din, kunwari
Ready, 3
nag-lag.
seconds. Ready.
Just hold, yeah. They're not inching up eh. Kaya mo sila pumasok.
They look
Step
now
back a
again.
bit. Everyone, D-tanks. Pull back a bit. Let them in shop. Just stay beside me.
Paliguan mo, Markan.
Yeah.
OC if you haven't So let them in. Welcome kayo dito guys. Vinzo, give me a fake nga dito sa hammer na to. If you're ready. Fake. 3, 2, 1. Fake. Oh, okay, look. Wait, they're looking. Left. Over the wall, ready. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Guard, rune. Go back. They're fuckers. Help bomb. QWC to, itong hammer na to, inside. QWC inside. Kidnap him. QWC on him.
Ready tayo.
Yep. Boy pa rin.
Oh.
Engaging on this. Wait, after the cleric. Ready? 3, 2, 1. On him now. Ulit mo Go back, cycle fast.
5 seconds.
Welcome kayo dito, guys. Come inside.
Ready now.
Alright,
They're
just hold.
inching.
Okay.
Careful.
Fake on the J. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fake on the J.
Okay, over the wall, guys.
Look, over the wall. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now.
Headbutt.
Naglalag ako. Go back. Cycle fast. D-tanks, be careful
3
They have another engage. Alright, just
3
hold.
seconds. Ready now.
Look, yung pinractice nyo na south side, siya na. Hold.
May nakawatch siya sa Maze Tower.
Ready. Hold. After this.
Hilapana.
Ready. 3, over the wall. 2, 1. Kami now. Pagpats. Go back. Ikaw, let them in, yes. Ayaw niyo pumasok. Okay lang, Elayo. Gusto ko nang magpa-action.
3 seconds.
Just hold.
Ready?
Cycle Guardians. Pumasok.
Hindi natin chinga pa.
Let them. This is our castle.
Still
Just
deal
waiting.
26 right now.
Careful front.
One and
They
19, one
engage on pool. Be careful. So just hold. Just get ready. Need to be patient, boys.
Rafael.
Yeah. Just be patient. You hit big.
They're pulling out.
No?
Waiting.
Inch up a bit.
I
Yeah.
might be baiting.
Don't open world. Inch up. But stay. This hold.
Nagano sila? Mount up na. Mounted up. Flat.
Ayun na.
Pulling out.
Baka may block sa ato sa ano, kapili. Baka may info sa kabila. Diba?
Go back. Let them. Balik kayo, guys. Winner takes castle, tapos take na open yung castle, ah. Yo, winner takes castle.
Takot sa BS mo, pre. Ayaw